Bodega Boys.
Month 7 of the quarantine.
Yo, this is crazy, yo. Like, we ran out of food like 1 month ago, yo. This is wild. Bro, I don't even care about food, bro. I just need a fucking bag, bro. For real. If we're being honest, bro, this quarantine thing is really fucking up my flow, bro. Like, I can't even get in touch with Julio, dude, at all. Like, this is terrible. This is terrible, bro. Hey, everybody calm down, all right? I'm an LEO. That stands for Law Enforcement Officer. I know what to do in these situations. I've been trained for these situations. All we gotta do is find the most delicious person in the house and eat them. All right? So now we're gonna sit down as a family and come to a vote. Ms. Benzo the Clown, could you please wait? What? What are you guys doing? What's going on, bro? Just give me some water. I'm fine. Who's gonna be? Who are we going to consume? Who are we gonna consume? Yo, as a matter of fact, my nigga, I think it should be you. Because you're the one that came up with that stupid ass fucking idea. Who the fuck is gonna say, yo, we're gonna eat each other? We're gonna eat each other? You fucking bozo? We should eat your dumb ass. As a matter of fact, prosciutto's delicious. So let's eat this nigga right now. What you think, Michael? You know what? I actually don't kind of really fuck with this guy at all. So, like, you know, I was looking for a way to do away with him. I think this is the perfect thing. Who got the bone saw? Okay, kids, it's Benzo the Clown. I got balloons and I got a bone saw, so you're in luck. Prosciutto for dinner. Hey, guys, what the fuck is going on here? Hey, whoa. Hey, turn that thing off. Whoa, hey, do the fucking drop.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Yo, what up? It's your boys, the Pandemic Boys, coming to you live. This is episode 193.
Oh my
of
God.
The world's most quarantine podcast. We usually come to you live from the Jam Room in Milk Studios, but right now, via high-tech CIA level technology that Edward Snowden stole by putting it on a USB port and sticking it in his butt and walking out the Pentagon with, we were able to make a Skype connection. So Mero's coming to us live from Jersey.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
Skyped up.
And I'm
Skyped
here.
up.
I'm right here in the BX, you know what I'm saying? Got Charlie in my lap. Let's go. We knew the streets needed some entertainment while you self-quarantine. You know, it might be day 6. Starting to realize all the annoying shit your roommate does. You know what I'm saying? Maybe they pour the milk into the bowl first and then put the cereal in.
Yeah,
Maybe
now you want to murder them.
Yeah. You don't
That's
know.
how it goes. The littlest things become the most annoying things when you have to spend time with somebody locked indoors for more than 48 hours.
Dude.
That's when you
Shout
know
out to
when shit is
everybody.
real.
Shout out to everyone on Twitter is like, yo, this feels like jail. Nah, this is nothing like jail. This is nothing like jail,
You're
Megan.
absolutely wrong. You're absolutely wrong. Nobody's fighting over the TV. You know what I'm saying?
All
Nobody's like, you're not gonna get stabbed because you want to watch novellas. Stop.
Did you
stop.
have to bring a gem star with you when you went to the common area? I don't think so. Stop it.
Stop
Okay.
comparing this shit to jail and prison. You didn't have to put toilet paper in your butt. Like literally up your butt.
Shout out to everyone that's been a jerk. It's still going out, still partying, still going to the bars and restaurant. Like I'm okay. Just spreading that corona.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You gonna kill your TT and your abuela. Why? Because you wanted to go get a mimosa on a Sunday.
I'm not compromised. I'm fine. I'm doing well. I'm people really just need to calm down and not panic because it's whatever. Like, hey, do you guys want to do a waterfall with these beers? Like, no, stop.
Disgusting.
Caitlin, you're gonna kill us all.
Playing beer pong. Gross. It's nasty. And they don't realize, like, if you're in New York, you already got a compromised immune system. Because what are you eating? You're not eating healthy food. You're not eating rutabagas every day. No, you eat chopped cheeses. You think you're healthy because you have one juice press juice. You pay $10 for some kale. That's not gonna save you.
I feel like if you put eating rutabagas pull up on you like, this nigga eating rutabagas.
Listen, you can't be in the street eating rutabagas. That's my 3 list. Listen, you can't be mailing niggas peanuts. You can't just be printing out shit for niggas. And you just can't be out here in these streets eating rutabagas.
Eating rutabagas. Yo. Oh my God. Bro.
But nah, that's the way things are going. Like, you go to the supermarket now, that's all that's left. Just rutabagas.
Yo, the only person...
Rutabagas and beef ramen.
That's it. Rutabagas, some ramen, some moldy strawberries. The only person who has benefited from this whole pandemic is Sarah J.
That's true. Shout out to Sarah J and our fellow Sushio boy Obama, who was following her on Twitter. Definitely also probably following her on her OnlyFans.
Yo, she got. I had no idea. Like, yo, the Sarah J universe is mad deep. I had no idea that she got like she's rapping, she's doing apparel, like she's doing a lot.
Apparel.
Somebody say she's doing the most.
What you wearing, Ma? Sarah J. Like nah.
Right there. This shit is called Wide Side.
Yo. Sarah J is House of Darion for just like, I guess, hardworking, industrious white women who love the cack.
Yo, my man says. Yo, Sarah J got the sharpest nose in the biz. Yo, I don't even. Sarah J looks like an Italian construction worker with a
we're not slandering Sarah J. Right now, Sarah J is holding a lot of people down to self-quarantine, if you know what I mean. A lot of guys are squeezing their rutabaga to her. So,
yo, oh my God, keep it funky. How much porn have you consumed during this hiatus? I see you're hydrating.
None, because like it's like. It's not the same. Like, nigga, there's a pandemic. There's nothing sexy about that. Like,
I can't even get horny. Like, I'm just so worried.
Niggas is doing death counts on the TV. Like, why would I want to beat my meat to that? Like, listen, after Ari Melbourne comes off, I'm looking at my dick like, you're next.
You're next.
Ain't no self-quarantine for you, boy.
Get ready for the beat, nigga. The beat with the Kim Mero and Desus Nice. It's a totally different kind of show.
Nah, man. Gotta stay healthy. I've been working out, practicing swinging a samurai sword. Everything I've learned from Walking Dead.
Facts. I went and I checked up on my machetes in the garage, you know what I'm saying? Made sure they're all in working operational condition. So we ready.
I bought a leather trench coat just in case. You know what I'm saying? Get my blade on. Catch me at the IHOP. The IHOP on 125th Street fighting fiends as they're vampires.
Yo, son. Man, this nigga be out in the streets with fucking floor-length dusters. Just fucking murking fiends left and right. Like, yo, they're not zombies. They're not stop. Stop.
Oh, God. Shout out to all the connects that hit people up like, yo, cop early. Because the city might be on lockdown.
Word.
Like, yo, shout out to you. Y'all, that's smart thinking.
Shout out to the gas man for hitting niggas up like on a mass text, like, yo, son, like, yo, if you need anything, like, yo, like the American Red Cross type shit. Like,
yes.
Shout out to all the drug dealers out there that are worried about their custodies. You know what I'm saying? I salute you.
Those doctors and nurses are the real first responders. So true. So true. So, you guys have heard the news. The book has been pushed back to September. Yeah. And the book tour has been canceled. And the show's on hiatus. And you know what? I'm one more canceled email away from going back to selling crack. So, I mean, listen. I don't know what to tell you guys.
Guys, don't get upset. Listen, I know you want to be upset and you want to be upset with us, but it's like, this is out of our control. You know, people be like, yo, this is out of our control. It really is. Like, a lot of times when niggas say this is out of my control, they're lying. But we're not lying. Like, as you can see, watch the news. There's niggas in Italy spraying fire extinguishers on everybody in the street.
Some guy yesterday was like, oh, they gave in to the coronavirus. I was like, yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. I kind of
You should too.
You know what? Yeah, you should too. When it comes to living, call me Chance the Rapper. I love my life. I love my life. Hey! All right? I love you. I love Bodega Hive, but listen.
Listen, dog.
Die for the Hive is for y'all.
You know what I'm saying? That would be the tragic comedy of the year, starring fucking. They would get two white people to play us. Like, we just started getting money, then the pandemic hits, and then we perish in a pandemic because everybody else was just wanted to go out and have fun, and then somehow we get affected and die. And that's the Coen brothers' sad movie about the trajectory of this whole shit. But they're killing us.
I'm gonna hear both sides. That is the proper ending for the story. Sadly, there's like we're like uncut gems. Look how fast we rose, and if for just to have because I thought the ending was gonna be that helicopter ride to Coachella. Because then I was like, wow, God got a sense of humor. Ha 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 ha. But this. It's terrible.
God just like, oh, you want to go to Coachella? I got you.
We gonna die.
I'm gonna send you there in a fucking bubble with a rotor on top.
But yeah, things is. The network died. Oh, is everyone still there? You guys froze, and I was like, damn, it happens. The Rona got them. And the worst part about this now is every time you cough, you either gotta explain to people around you why you're coughing, or you gotta explain to yourself why you're coughing. Because I was sitting a wild blunt, and I came in and I coughed, and everyone looked at me. I was like, no. Smokers cough. Smokers cough.
Yeah, bro, I've been telling niggas, I was like, yo, all y'all that smoke heavy and you got a little smoker's cough, you're gonna be judged. You're gonna be judged heavily. So try to I guess not smoke, but I'm not following that advice.
If you don't smoke, you're going to go wild. Because all I do, I'm sitting here just watching MSNBC and all the wild stuff they're saying. I'm just getting more hyped up and more amped and more anxiety. And I know I should stop, but it's kind of fun. Because it's just like, we're supposed to be in our houses for like a week. Like, I only leave to walk my dog. And I ran out of latex gloves. So I had to switch to the expensive black gloves I bought for fisting. And it's really bothering me.
Oh, no, not the fisting gloves. Yeah. Those just go up to the elbow,
my good
bro.
nitrate joints.
That's a waste.
Man.
That's such a waste.
It's a waistman ting.
Yo. Amazon is out here like, yo, we're going to give everybody 100,000 jobs. But what we're not going to tell you is that we're going to put all 100,000 of you niggas in the warehouse and let you all get the Roni.
Yeah, also, they were like, you were going to give $2 extra? Thank you, benevolent Desus.
Oh, my,
right.
Oh, why thank you, Emperor
my God,
Bezos.
Wow. Oh, my God. Wow. Yo, Bezos a jerk. Like, if the system, like, if capitalism collapses, we coming for him.
Oh, my God. Yo, he better not be.
Also,
because you know when, I recently found this out. Because I was getting, mail from strangers. Like, apparently, if you own a home, your records are public. I'm like, yo, if that motherfucker, I was like, yo, if he's dumb enough to own a home under his name, and his public records become out there, I'm trying to think of this whole thing could go two ways. It could go yo, everything goes over smoothly, and then it could go straight apocalypto. And if this shit goes straight apocalypto, I'm trying to see what happens.
Yeah, because then it's just yo, he has security guards, but it's just if their families are dying and stuff, are they still gonna work for him?
No, they're gonna flip. Money, that's the whole show. It's like Sopranos.
Flip. Yeah, listen. Oh, can't wait.
Jeff Bezos is standing up there like, yeah, I'm the fucking boss. What are you gonna do? Yeah. I'm a made guy.
You know what's sad though? You know who else I gotta go for? Jay and Beyonce.
Oh yeah. Jay's like, yo, chill, but I'm one of y'all. I made it from the bottom.
No. Jay just dropped the Jay Electronica. He just did an album with Jay Electronica. He was talking a lot of woke hotep shit. And I was like, my nigga, you are a billionaire. It don't work like that. It doesn't work like that. Also, Jay Electronica literally has sex with a member of the Illuminati family. So, what are we doing here?
That nigga's last name is Rothschild. Yo,
right.
Yo, JC fucking rapping about hotep shit is like me rapping about gynecology, my nigga. I have no idea what the fuck I'm talking about.
It's what? And then Jay-Z he's talking about the NFL thing. He was like, I'm already rich. Why would I do something for more money? I was like, clearly, Jay-Z has never heard a Jay-Z song. The only song that wasn't about getting more money was probably
Money Cash.
Ghetto Techno.
Oh no, not that one. No, it couldn't be Money Cash.
No. A million? No, not that.
Shit. Imaginary. No, not that one. He was making fun of somebody for being broke. Damn.
Right.
Shit.
Damn, can't.
Big Pimp. No. That was about spending G's.
Can't knock the hustle. No.
Oh no, because he's hustling. He's getting money. Fuck.
Yeah.
The shit with Lenny Kravitz. Oh, get on techno.
Wow. That's a deep cut. That's a deep. You said the one with Lenny Kravitz. Even Jay-Z's on Spotify right now. No, he's on Tidal right now. Like, yo,
I did a song
with Lenny Kravitz.
Yo,
what was it called? Little Girl's Eyes. Yo,
Lenny, I'm sorry I didn't go to your Seder. I'm coming this year, I promise.
I apologize. Yo, I got caught up, in an American woman. Stay away from me.
Yo, I got caught up with an American woman right now, She dropped the album. She was slaying me. I'm on a natural journey. I'm trying to find myself.
Oh, shit. Breaking news, Tom Brady is no longer with the Patriots.
Yep, he's a free agent, y'all.
He's a free agent.
All
right. I heard. Mike. I heard he's coming. Mike. First time, long time. Mike. I'm calling from quarantine. Just want to get your thoughts on Tom Brady being a free agent and the possibility that he might come to the Knicks. Okay, I'll hang up and listen.
All right. Well, first of all, I gotta tell you, I mean, Tom Brady was one of the best ever. The guy almost turned around Antonio Brown, who is a certified maniac. What I gotta tell you is, Tom Brady's great. He's one of the greatest, and we know why. Because he's white. All right. We got Frank on the line here. I don't even know what's going on. Guys, if you're still paying for my app, you're a fucking bozo. All right. I don't do it anymore. I'm just in my house wearing jogging pants, having a good time. The shit the fam for Mike don't even got shit to talk about no more. He's just like, yo,
he doesn't. Nobody does. Sports. What's ESPN even doing now?
Yo,
what is ESPN is just showing Golden Girls and then doing the top 5 Blanche moments. That's the top 5 on the Sports Center.
They're like, we're
top
here live at Castle Hill and Tremont Avenue, where Terrell and Julio are about to play a rousing game of Skelsies. Like,
if you look at the ticker at the bottom of ESPN, it's just like postpone, delays, postpone. I don't know. And then people are saying that if the NBA comes back, that the Nets would have a healthy KD.
You know the fucking vibes.
And Kyrie Irving for the playoffs. And I was like, fam. I was like, yo, first of all, as a Knicks fan, then I'm definitely rooting for the pandemic. Because I'll be damned if I live in a world where the Nets get a championship.
It won't count. It'll be an asterisk, though. It will not count. Season.
It'd be the Rona championship. We're not respecting that.
That's right. Yeah, we're taking shots.
Out of here.
Who cares?
And then also, like, they said almost 2 million people might die. Maybe we should hold off on the whole sports thing. Like,
yeah. Unless you want a whole stadium of motherfuckers to perish simultaneously?
Yeah, let's hold off on everything is canceled, man. Our book tour, Coachella, Something in the Water, shit.
Yeah,
everything.
When they moved Coachella, I was like, oh, they're moving everything. Like, that's like moving fucking Woodstock. Like, Coachella is one of the biggest fucking festivals on the planet, and now motherfuckers are like, oh, nah, we're good.
Yeah, but you know what's not canceled? Rent and mortgage payments.
Yeah. How about that? Why don't you talk about that, Cuomo? You know what I'm saying?
Talk about that, Trump. Huh? Give us a bailout. Not the airlines.
Oh no, the airline and the hospitality, of which I have mad vested interest in. They're doing bad, so let's give them some money. How about you give Bounty some money so they can make some more fucking paper towels? Because apparently that's the most important thing in the world.
My neighbor got a 64 pack of toilet paper delivered, and it's been in a package room for 2 days. Listen, I'm about to Ocean's 11 that bitch. Listen, I'm about to go spray paint the camera in there and just swipe that shit.
You got to do it.
Listen, you got to start. That's how you got to live now.
Now is the time where you like have to start like little by little asserting your dominance in your building and letting motherfuckers know like, yo, I'm the Nino Brown and this is the Carter.
Yeah.
Like y'all
every
all
day
peons.
You got to get a little more savage. Every day you got to do stuff that if you were a character on The Walking Dead would make the viewer at home be like, wow.
Wow. I didn't know you were capable of this.
Yo, he shot a baby.
Oh shit.
Yo. Yo, that baby was hogging the breast milk. Somebody shoot that baby! Somebody shoot that baby!
Somebody suck that baby's dick! Somebody suck that baby's dick!
Oh wow.
Yo, no. Oh my god. Yo, but the wild
breaking news. I just got a threatening text message. I would like to apologize for our comments about Jay Electronica and Jay-Z. I don't know who the text message was from, but it just said the eggs would be slamming at the Rock Nation brunch, but you won't be going if you keep up that behavior. So we would just like to apologize.
Wow. Oh shit.
It's a fantastic album.
You know who's not going to the Rock Nation brunch 100% for sure? Joe Budden. Because he came out, he was like, yo, that Jay Electronica shit was trash. I was like, yo, God
Shit. That's how he feels. But Joe Budden will be going to the Rock Nation brunch. He's just chilling. He's just be chilling. He don't care about that shit. He's eating brunches. Listen, you know what? Shout to him, because we need content like that, because everyone's trapped in their house. And like, we need, you can't really go into a studio right now, so we need little beef, so we need, like, also messiness. Lil Wayne, a little messiness. A little messiness right now is great. There's no messiness on your hands. You gotta wash your hands. And also, Lil Wayne and Jewel Santana said they're finally gonna drop I Can't Feel My Face. So, you know.
And the funny part is that at this stage in their careers, they probably can't feel their faces after all the drop.
Wow. Spicy Mero coming to you live from the basement at 879 Trenton's finest radio station. On the drive-by radio station, it's Kid Mero.
Yo, no, but this is the thing about the toilet paper. This was like a high thought, but it was highly logical. If we're under quarantine, we can't leave our cribs. You run out of toilet paper. I'm under the impression that everybody's house has a shower or a bath where you can wash your ass after you go to the bathroom. Mm-hmm. Like, if you run out of toilet paper, like, I'll be more concerned with like getting like food and water, or maybe not even food, because like water, clean water. You know what I'm saying? Like,
well, I mean, the thing is, there's plenty of toilet paper. I don't know why everyone's hogging it like that. Like, every time you go the next day, there's more toilet paper. People are just buying mad toilet paper. And that also shows people who have never had to be in like not a third world country, but a country that's not America. Because I know for a fact what you have to do is use a t-shirt and you have to wash out the t-shirt. It's just like if you use a cloth diaper for a baby. It's not that deep, people. Like people like, oh, I gotta take a shit and run to the shower. Like relax, Maxwell. No, okay, no.
It's not that serious,
right? Okay, a lot of things we do are luxuries. We're gonna realize that. Like, people are just like, yo, you gotta wash your hands, but what if there's no lotion? Listen, being ashy is not something you have to worry. It's not something you're worried about in the apocalypse.
No.
If I go on a run for food, I don't want you slowing us down because there's bandits behind us and you in the lotion aisle, okay?
Yo.
Get the bread, get the beans, let's get out of here.
Like, yo, get the beans. You look back, this nigga's lotion in his knees in aisle 7.
Get the glutens.
This nigga's in B23 putting fucking eye cream on. Like, yo, what are you doing? We gotta go. He's like, yo, my T's on.
See, that always happens in the survival movies because, like, someone has a flashback and then, like, they put mascara on at the mirror and they're looking at themselves and they're reminded of how their life was before the world went to shit. Don't be that person.
Yeah, fuck the small pleasures.
Okay?
We don't need them right now.
Just grab the combos and go. I'm like, Mero, grab the Star Crunches.
Already on it. I'm
like, Hasan, get all the Utz chips. Let's go.
Yeah, that's really all you need is like the wild pack of ramen, some chips, faucet water.
No, all you need is a bodega. Like, literally. You just go to like
shit. Like, all you motherfuckers run into BJ's and supermarkets and chains and shit. Yo, Poppy got it. Poppy got it.
Poppy Ben got it. I also shout out to Poppy because I went there yesterday and he was like, yo, you need to order, I'm going to order you a box of the blunt wraps. because of the entourages. Because he was like, you always come in here and buy a couple at a time. And he was like, if there's like the city gets locked down, you're not going to have any. I almost shed a tear.
Yo.
I was like, thank you, Poppy.
Yo, shout out to Maaki. Yo, he did the same shit with the backwoods. Because I always go in there and I'm like, yo, I hate going out at night to get shit. So I was just like, yo, every time I go in there, I'm like, yo, let me get 4 packs of backwoods. You know what I'm saying? So he's like, every time I go in there, he's like, 4? I'm like, 4. This time he goes, 8? I was like, yo, let me get 8.
There you go. What's worse, being trapped? What's worse, being trapped with weed with nothing to smoke it with, or being trapped with no weed?
Oof. I'll find a way to smoke weed, dog. Like,
Yeah.
Niggas can't stop me.
If there's a
Niggas
weed,
will
there's a
MacGyver
way.
some shit. Hell yeah.
Listen,
There's a will, there's a
butt chug
motherfucking
it.
way, dog. I'll be like the wild fiend smoking out of a coke can, like.
I'm gonna steal one of my neighbor's car antennas. Listen, fuck it. Here for a good time, not a long time. You feel me?
If you see me in front of the crib smoking out of a can of King Cobra, nigga, you know what time it
Don't
is.
judge me. Don't judge me. We, as my mother would say, we're living in end times. I was like, that may be the case. I'm still not going to church. Ah,
He's right.
fuck that. Fuck that.
Yo. Everything's canceled. Every sports is canceled. Is there any sports on at all, period? Like anything.
There was they were showing marble racing, which sounds boring, but it was like, yo, Google it. It's kind of wild exciting.
The shit where the marbles go down the thing and like you gotta. Oh yeah.
Well, no, it's like a sand court kind of thing. Oh, there's esports.
Ooh. Oh yeah, right. Yeah.
There's esports, but esports isn't really fun because you're watching other people play. And you're like, I could do better.
I can do that shit, and then you get on and you're like, oh wait, no, I can't.
Yeah.
You're 14 and you've been doing this for 10 years.
That was me playing Rocket League, and I was like, I'm nice at this. And I watched some of like the game started, and both cars went in the air, and were just flying, and I was like, how did they do that?
How you turned into John Starks? How did this dude just did this?
I was like, the cars can fly? Wait, when did that happen? Also, now is a good time to explore any old video games you got. I'm back on Black Ops 4. Good times. You know what I'm saying? I wanted to play Black Ops 3, but I forgot that's only for like the Xbox 360 or something like that. So
yeah,
I gotta go hook that up. You know? But we got time. We got nothing but time.
Now's the time, bro. If you want to build a rocket ship, if you want to write a novel, dog, now is the time.
If you want to learn a language,
like, work on something that you've been sitting on. You know what I'm saying? Bodega Hive. You know what I'm saying? Stay active. Read books and shit.
If you
don't just lay in bed all day and be depressed.
Family, like, you know, just sit your girl down. Like, listen, I got another family. It is what it is. Let's be adults about this because the world's ending.
You know what I'm saying? You accept it or move on. You know what I'm saying? Like, it is what it is.
Don't be selfish. Don't be selfish. Right now, Trump was saying we all gotta make sacrifices, and right now I need you. You know, you need to sacrifice.
I need you to sacrifice your dignity and accept my other wife and family.
Okay. Who moved in while you were out getting supplies? They're in another room. Family, come on down.
Come on out.
Oh wow! If you got a secret family, how do you sneak out to visit them during the quarantine?
That's the shit.
Damn.
You got a fake mustache on and shit and pretend you're an Uber driver. I don't even know.
I think a lot of people are realizing they're in a secret family right now. They're like, the kids are like, I haven't seen daddy in 5 days.
They want to lie and shit like, oh, he's stuck at work. They quarantined him in the office.
Yeah, he's a doctor. I thought he drove Uber. Shut up.
He's in the Uber office. He's corporate. He works corporate.
He's the president of Uber. Oh man.
Yo, shout out to Uber Eats though, holding me down. It's seamless.
Are you still using them?
So this is the thing. Is this good or bad? And I feel like we discussed this. Uber takes a percentage of the tip that you give to the driver. Right. So like, in order to circumvent that, I like to tip them in cash. But now, seeing as how we're like under Corona pandemic, I'm like, damn, I don't want to give you cash hand to hand because you're gonna feel away, or I'm gonna feel away, or it's gonna be awkward. Because I tried it with a $5 bill, and the nigga was like, "Nah, I'm good."
Oh wow!
And it's like, I was like, bro, you just turned down a $5 tip? Like, and he was just like, no, I'm good. Thank you, though. I was like, okay.
Oh, no. What I've been doing is when I take if I'm tipping them in cash, what I do, I have the rubber gloves and I spray down the money with Lysol. And when I give it to them, the money is like wet with the Lysol. So they're like, oh, shit. Shit's good.
I'm good.
Listen, niggas, listen. People who don't want the germs, but people need money. So listen, grab it while you got it. Because soon we gotta start switching to like just selling metal for parts and shit. Like you're gonna see me and Mero with 2 shopping carts tied together with string, with like mad folding chairs in it, ripped out pipes. We gotta go to the jam room and just gut it. Mass Jack's gonna come out and be like, yo, what are you doing? I'm like, yo, what up? We helping y'all move. We helping y'all move.
Yeah, that's all. Just regular shit.
Yo, Mero, grab that drum kit.
Oh yeah, no. Oh yeah. Now, what do you want this? In the back of in my trunk? I got a back copy.
Yeah. They're like, where's your guys' Jeeps? All I see outside is a rider van. I'm like, no. They're circling. They'll be out there shortly.
Yeah. No, the rider van is just a decoy. So we don't get robbed because we have so much. We're helping you so much.
Yeah.
And we're doing equipment.
Yeah.
And we're celebrities.
Yeah.
And stuff like that. Yeah. So yeah.
Yeah. So we'll see you. We gotta go.
Bye.
Peace. The next scene is just some junkyard, 3rd Avenue. Like, hey, come on, Poppy, come on. It's good metal. What do you mean?
Come on.
What do you mean?
Papi.
We found it. What do you mean?
Papi,
Mero, tell him in Spanish. We found it.
Papi,
looky. It's metal. Look, you can bite into it. It says property of milk. It says property of milk because that's the name of Mero's production company. Yeah, milk.
That's it.
Yeah,
leche. I just put milk, so that you can understand, Papi, because I respect you, Papi. I love you.
Okay. Oh yes.
I don't know.
$60. $60. Yeah, we'll take that. Yeah.
Niggas turn into bubbles.
60. Come on, Mero. We got $60. Come on, bro.
Come on, bro. We can get right, bro. Yo, we can get like 15 minutes of studio time with Hasan, bro. Come on, let's do it.
Come on. Bro. Come on, we gotta go to the dog food McDonald's and smoke weed. We're gonna only be the only dope heads who smoke weed through hypodermic needles.
They're like, yo, is that weed that ain't even K2? Y'all ain't no real dope heads? Turn it to Bob Saget from Half Baked, like, yo, you ever suck dick for fucking weed, motherfucker? Like, no. We're
Do you understand how painful that weed is gonna be when we're pushing it through a hypodermic needle into our blood vessels?
It's just mad.
Like, ah!
We didn't even it's not even grinded up. We just broke it up by hand, so it's just mad nugs going.
I'm like, arms. You can look and I'm like, I think that's a stem. Like, it's just underneath my skin right there.
This shit pokes through your skin like, shit, damn. Yo, put some joint paper on it.
Niggas just peeing out mad seeds. Gross. Yeah. Nasty as Susio. But listen, we did this. You know what I'm saying? Another podcast. That's right. We didn't leave you in the lurch. It's just like when Red Bull, shout out to Red Bull, our former home, when they couldn't get us in because of the Red Bull Music Festival, and we were shot in all those different locations. Shout out to the apartment, our guy Donovan. You know what I'm saying? Everyone was holding us down, and we're still doing it. We made a podcast for the people. All right, no off days.
Nah,
we're doing this. All right,
this bodega every day, no days off.
And remember, you can always trust the Bodega Boys to come to you with facts and information that you need at trying times, such as the fact that this virus, it was created by the 5G spectrum of phones, as was told to us by Kerry Hilson the other day.
That's right, absolutely. That's absolutely correct.
Okay, because listen. Everyone knows every now and then pretty girls post some hotep shit and you gotta laugh it off. You gotta go,
yeah, you wildin'.
You wildin'. You fine as shit, but you dumb as shit. She just post some shit like, she'd be like, don't eat ice cubes because they're gonna freeze your stomach acids. You'd be like, oh, this girl dumb as shit.
Oh, boy. Shorty, this shit melted in my mouth.
Yeah. But again, the yeeks. Oh, man. So she really popped out of nowhere, and then she had to delete it the next day. She was like, my management was like, take it down. I was like, I'm sure they were.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm sure your PR person was like,
if your publicist is not lobotomized, then they would tell you to take that down.
But she did the smart thing where you post it late at night where you think your publicist is asleep.
Oh yeah.
So you could get away with it. You know the vibes.
They never sleep.
You know the fucking vibes.
I'll text Sherry at 4 a.m. She'd be like, what? What did you post?
They keep one eye open like CVS.
That's right. You see me stressed, right? Can I live? Can we live? That's the extension.
I don't know.
That's the question. That's the question.
Is it time to open a mega church and capitalize off people's panics and anxieties?
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
This is it. This is the time. You know what I'm saying?
But you know what? But the mega church, no money. We just take canned goods and like toilet paper.
All that.
Ooh.
Hasan can play. Hasan knows how to play organ, right?
Yeah. Now we need him on the bass. We need him like on a bass or some shit. And we get Diane to sing.
Yeah, word. Beautiful.
She's just singing like some Spanish song. I'm like, I don't know. She said something about Christ though. It works. All right.
Yeah, it was beautiful. Bring Victoria up like, yo, she needs extra prayer.
No. No, we just bring Victoria up and we heal her every week. Everyone's gonna be like, wasn't she there last week?
Like,
she's like, boss, I'm healed. Boss, I'm healed. Oh man.
I'm healed, boss.
Bro. I'm feeling better, boss. Oh man. Good times. Summer in the city.
What a time to be alive.
For now. Shit.
For now.
For now.
Yo, but honestly, like, I was waiting because, like, in my head, I'm like, okay, you see everything that's going on around the world. You see Italy. You see all this other shit. You see the numbers, blah, 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 blah. Like, parsing through all this shit, separating fact from fiction. I'm like, yo, why didn't we do this sooner?
By we, you mean the government?
Yeah. I feel like the answer is a layup.
They don't give a shit. They're like, fuck it. They're like, yo, think about it. The government is a bunch of rich old people who are gonna die soon anyway. Why they don't give a shit.
That's
like,
why, you know. And the crazy shit to me too is also like, okay, maybe this is not your area of expertise, Dr. Ben Carson, but like you're a doctor, my G, so like you have to go through med school and learn like the basics of everything. Like there's got to be some pathology in there. Like, and you can step up and say something. Like, you know.
Yeah, he did. He was like, yo, he said the same thing MC Hammer said. He said, you need to pray. You need to pray every day so you can make it today. Listen, the one thing you don't want your doctor telling you is you need to pray. I'm like, nah, give me back my copay. You wallet.
Nah, you wallet. Nah, I'm not paying you shit. Fuck that. My insurance don't cover bullshit.
Damn. Well, you know, had a good run.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know. Now we're gonna keep washing our hands and keep doing this podcast. You know what I'm saying? Bodega Boys, Sushio Boys, with the Pandemic Boys, and with the Content Boys, we're making sure you will be able to receive Desus Mero through these dark ages. All right, even if you gotta write this on a parchment and send it on attached to the ankle of a pigeon, you're still gonna get the art. Okay?
We promise.
I don't know how Hasan's gonna edit parchment, but you know what? I don't doubt the God.
You know what I'm saying? He works in every medium.
Exactly. He just got the wild quill pen, like, here we go again. Dip, dip, dip. All right. Twitter feels like back in the days, like back in, I want to say like 2010, 2011, mad people are on. People are rediscovering their Twitter accounts. You see people who haven't tweeted in like 10 years, like, yo, what's going on, guys? Their last tweet was like, they were like beefing about Philly in the World Series and shit.
Now they're back. Now you came crawling back because you got nothing to do. Yeah.
I mean, there's just stuff to do, but it's just, I get it. People just getting a little tired of being in the house. It's one thing to be in the house if you choose to be in the house. It's another thing if you're in the house because someone else told you to stay in the house. Because now you feel like a little kid.
Now you feel like you're grounded. De Blasio grounded everybody. It was like, yo, y'all stay in the house. Y'all can't go out with your friends. Y'all can't have fun. You know what I'm saying? But fuck you because I got the Xbox and the PlayStation on deck.
Well, I mean, people were still going out. I was going, like, every bar I passed, every nightclub I passed this weekend was pizzacked. and niggas is smoking hookah. And let me tell you, for all the IG videos I watch, y'all were not changing the mouthpieces. So shout out to y'all, okay?
Yo, you're wild.
But I respect it.
If you're going,
it.
Listen, there's people whose job it is to monitor this shit, and if they say, yo, maybe you shouldn't go to a bar with 400 motherfuckers in it that's sweating and coughing and smoking hookah, maybe you should pay attention to Dr. whatever the fuck.
Well, somebody on Twitter was saying that they were like, oh, you guys stay home, you guys should stay home. And somebody was like, what if the people going out want to die? And I was like, oh shit.
That's lit.
I was like, yo, I fuck with that. I was like, I fuck with that energy. Yep. Imagine you in there you in there celebrating a birthday or something, and I just come in like, yeah.
Fuck yeah, I want to die. But the fucked up shit is that you don't know if this shit was like definitely gonna kill you. I would soundly follow that line of logic. But it's just like, bruh, it's like trying to commit suicide by jumping out a second floor window. Like, yo, it might work, but it might not.
It's probably not. You're just gonna really hurt your leg. You're gonna hurt your leg and probably get roasted by some assholes like us. Like, yo, what?
Nigga,
like,
go on 2 more floors.
Yo, you gonna jump for the third? Stupid. Now you gotta go to the ER. Now you definitely gonna get corona.
Stupid ass. Yo, next time do it from the roof, nigga, and do a flip.
Oh, Starflax ass nigga.
The subways is going crazy though. You see that shit about Shorty? Some dude spit on Shorty and ran off the train, and Shorty was like inconsolable.
Yeah, I
was like, yo, motherfuckers are wild. Regular. So this is the thing: when you combine regular hectic New York shit with Corona, it becomes like super powered. So like a wild dude spitting on you on the train is like regular New York shit. You add Corona onto that, and it's just like, oh my god, we're all gonna die. Like, nah, you probably just get syphilis and be good.
Okay, I mean, even though they made spitting on people a felony, so just can't be spit. Listen, that's my fourth rule. That's my fourth rule. Listen,
can't just be spitting on niggas.
You can't be mailing niggas peanuts. Can't just be praying out shit for niggas. What was the third? Damn, I forgot it already. Can't just be spitting on niggas unless he wants it. Unless it's his birthday. Unless he asks. With consent, or maybe it's his birthday at Dark Key, and your girl had a little too much. She feel a little frisky.
You know what I mean?
And now you in the back of the Uber, and she don't know how to act. And she's trying to like make out, and the Uber driver's like, yo, what about the coronavirus, man? She's like, fuck that, I want that Dak. I want that Dak. And you're like, yo, ma, chill, there's corona. We can't be making out in the back of this Uber. We don't know who's been here. She's like, yo, crack me like a lobster. She's like, yo, ma, stop.
Chill,
We're
relax.
in the Uber pool, first of all.
Yo, my dick hole is an orifice. They say don't touch your face, but you know what I'm saying? The corona could get in through my dick hole.
I don't care. I want to go to Wuhan. Let's go. Like, chill. Yo, ma, you God. I'm not taking you to Don Coquet anymore. See, that's what de Blasio said. We shouldn't have gone out. It's my birthday. You hear that? Yo, wear me like a facial mask. Like, yo, ma, you are wilding right now.
No, I don't care. I'm mad horny. I'm mad OD horny.
I'm corona horny. Yo, quarantine this pussy, nigga.
Yo, experimental vaccine me, yo. Inject me with your experimental vaccine, Poppy.
Yo, use my juices as hand sanitizer. Also, all this conversation is happening in the back of the Uber pool.
The Uber driver up top like, yo. Yeah, I know y'all on camera, right?
Like, yo.
Uber driver's Taxi Cab Confessions?
Yeah, HBO.
Yeah, they need to. Yo, Showtime. Uber
not
Confessions.
That I watch HBO. Not that I watch HBO. Shout out to Showtime.
Boy, big up Showtime. Showtime. Uber Confessions. Let's go.
Uber Confessionals.
Yes, right.
Or even better, Lyft Lies. Where people lie about their Lyft experiences.
Yeah, no, I was chill. I wasn't embarrassed at all about pulling out with a pink mustache car to the premiere. It was chill.
Yeah. I'm just in the back. I'm like, I'm going to the bank to pick up my $2 billion tax refund because, I'm a billionaire. with a big cock. They're like, this nigga's lying. I'm like, ah. Will you lie or the lights come on the roof like cash cab?
Like, this nigga's lying. Get the fuck out the cab.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Yo, man. Listen, y'all. Stay safe out there. Wash your motherfucking hands. Don't touch your face. We both have sisters in the medical field. Has there been any advice that we should pass down to the public, the hive, the listeners?
Yeah, my sister was like, "Don't come to the hospital, stupid."
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly.
I don't know what that stupid part was, but yeah.
Yo, it was like, yo, all these dumb motherfuckers in the ER. I swear to God, yo. I swear to God, if I gotta test one more sample, I'm gonna kill one of these niggas, yo. These niggas is coming in with colds, bro. These niggas is coming in with colds.
That's what my sister said too. She was like, yo, these people know they're not sick and they're wasting my time. Like, I'm tired of these dummies. I was like, yo.
I'm just imagining Ingrid in the lab with like 85,000 petri dishes, like, yo, goddamn, and a microscope and shit, just like biopsy shit, like going through shit, like, y'all niggas don't got corona, like
they're just like, yeah, like I feel like a sniffle, and I coughed twice today, and my sister's like, yo, my man, yo, she gets on top of a chair, and excuse me. So one finger in the air, like one of the teachers, to get attention for the room, like, yo,
if you hit me,
I am not talking until it's quiet. Listen, I'm going to explain this again. Y'all niggas don't get corona. Get out of here. Starts chasing them out with like a fire extinguisher.
Yeah, motherfuckers will go to the gym and then come back go to the hospital like, I'm feeling a little sore. And, you know, that was one of the symptoms. I'm like, nigga, you did 28,000 push-ups yesterday. You fucking
I'm not gonna lie though. Yesterday, I was sitting on my couch and I started coughing OD and my head felt mad weird and I was like, shit, I got it. But then I was like, all right, stop, Jesus. Let's think. Let's backtrack. Let's figure out why we're coughing. And then it was like, what was I doing immediately before this? And I stopped and I thought, and I don't remember. I was smoking a big old fat baby dick. I was out on my balcony. So it was just weed. It was weed. I was high. I wasn't dying.
Somebody suck that baby's dick.
Somebody
suck
indeed.
That baby's dick.
That's what we doing. On quarantine.
On quarantine.
Sucking baby dicks. Or smoking baby dicks. Pardon.
Yes. Problematic light. Hasan, please add a problematic light. Mero's wildin'. I don't know what they doing out there. Let me find out. Mero turned Hasidic and he's doing circumcisions. Yo, that's it. Episode 193, another one for the episode 193.5, an emergency podcast from remote studios because we do it for the hive. Yo, it's been your boy Desus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Terrio, aka Pocket Stay Fat like. Here we go. So man, I might know you, bitch. Thank you. Okay, Mero's in Lebanon, so there's a slight tape delay. Some of that might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rondo, Mil Novecenta de 24, Mikhail going off, the Juve Boss, MC Lugaguna P. Putting up for 40 with your shorty, aka Don't Talk to Me in the Uber Pool. I don't know you. The original plus one got plus one, so don't make a fuss, son. These is Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Chakuni without the Coonery, aka Tilly Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, K-Lo-K. Hey. Two Phone Jones, Jesus Ex Machina, J Chuck, Stanley Cuffs, the Human Dr. Bonner's label, Dilute, Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot blurry. Woo. Woo. You gotta have that right now. You gotta have the Pinot blurry. Yeah, listen.
The Onion Booty OG. When the only Pinot available was blurry.
Oh man. It's true. Okay, it's your boy, DJ Woolite. Watch the film. Listen, you're at home, and you know we hit you with nothing but hip-hop classics.
I'm in love with the porno. I'm in love with the porno. I film it on my GoPro. I'm in love with the porno.
That's right, a little Sarah J rapping.
I'm in love with the porno.
Well, she's in this video.
I'm in love with the porno.
I don't know. That's supposed to be her. It wasn't her. Listen, we're in a pandemic. I mean, everything's not gonna work. You know what I mean? The current goal: Jesus Spicer, Javon Hashford, the Bronx Sealy, Dion Ray, Nephew's Nephew, the Marino, you cannot containo, the Human Meme, Word to John, Young Aaron, the Racist Provocateur, Henrik Budcoast, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the Human World is melting in your mouth. Mr. Dexon Decatur, Ricky Tiki Scroggy, Greg Popovich, Maurice Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber. The juices are pressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it, the Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles. Actually, back on that cup of noodles, because listen, we in quarantine, baby. The Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova, Casanova. We made sense, 5 cents, $7, forget the small change, give me big money wine. The only anthem I salute is Drip Set. Mr. Saga, catch me at square one, top left, man, this is Marv. True Rizzuto, holy cow. Mr. Soppunk's gonna do is count checks and jerk off, and you know what? I want to do more of the first and less of the second. Please help me out, ICM. We got OJ Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sunny D. Hey. David Uriman. These expensive, these red bottles, these bloody shoes. Smokeem Noah, Andrew Coonanny. Ooh, neighbor, I'll kill you for toilet paper. AKA the Junior Energy God Jr. Come sit down upon me, Charger. Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. Topic of gossip and psiasis. Shout out to the 11791 AAA. Listen, we got that Rona. Stay off the trains. AKA Grandpa Joker, when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket. Hey man, dead IDs this morning, Sheriff. Been practicing these headshots. So, you know what I'm saying? Be ashamed for course someone coming out to target you. Feel me? Mr. Chopping that street, these bad beats like I'm easy. Please believe me. The Black Asian addict will crack your back like automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marino with a fresh misdemeanor, cold demeanor. Is a cheap mass killer. No one be illa. The Black Zax Morris, Port Morris, Young KPI, which doesn't matter anymore because marketing doesn't matter anymore. The second best, put me to the test. Things on your chest, you need to confess. I am your personal deeds. This AKA problematic bae. Listen, non-secret family if you abandon them. Up next, got my man Mero the God.
Motherfucking boy. It's the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Loader, jump the curb and put my car in park because we are not going outside in this pandemic. A.k.a. I know fucking baby, I'm fucking mang, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Man. No need to check the guest list because I'm in my basement. That's why you don't got to check the guest list. I'm not even online for the function. I'm in my crib. I'm playing Mario Party. Alright, aka CC Dad Bathia, you know what I'm saying? Doing concentrated hits of fucking, you know what I'm saying, THC in my basement using strange space age's device that looks like this. You know what I'm saying? Motherfucking get into the shmoney in this boy, smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmack, you know what I'm saying? AKA Tiger Backwoods, smoke a 3 gram, you know what I'm saying? And then hit you with this 9 iron, you know what I'm saying, in your domicile, aka I bought the Knicks for my fucking kids, you know what I'm saying, and I fucked up because now I can't get my money back because they canceled the fucking season, bro. So I guess I'm not the dad of the year.
Damn.
Shit.
Sad. Sad.
I had mad years in a row. 6 summers. I gave you 6 summers. Where's the love? You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Bitch Smack me on boy King D-Yayo Maradona. A.K.A. Dick in your baby Motobo. You don't come in this pussy no more. This pussy belongs to me. I'm sorry. It does not. It belongs to you and I respect your agency. A.K.A. Barlow Santana. So smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. A.K.A. the Dominican Dundada Dykeman Daddy. You will not see me at any establishments for the time being. Except my basement. AKA swipe my card again. Actually, don't swipe my card. You don't need to swipe my card because I'm doing all my shopping digitally. You know what I'm saying? AKA Romeo Santos, tu favorito, mami. So Zanny, let me black out. Yo, I'm not even taking Zannies recreationally. I'm taking them to deal with the anxiety of this pandemic. Oh my God. AKA Light No Dutchie. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? Then find this shit yourself. Cause I'm not gonna swing this L. Woo. Cause you got corona, motherfucker.
Coronavirus!
AKA Tom Brady, because I got my balls deflated more than Bobby Crafts. And you know what? We're gonna chill on that for the time being because I don't want other people's hands touching my body. You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
During this time. AKA Phil the Ass Tyson, I want to explore your cosmos, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? See what's up with that Milky Way with your consent, of course. You know what I'm saying? Because we the agency boys. AKA Lil Snoozy Vert, first nigga to tap out on live, been doing this. You know what I'm saying? AKA Friday Messi, MVP of Gelato. AKA Zaddy Bennyfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. You know what I'm saying? AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you.
To what?
To smoke with me.
We're at
Mama Sushi. Actually, we can't. We can't even do
they're
that.
close.
No, it's not.
Close.
It's not happening. Sorry, guys.
Can't go there with over. Can't be there with over 50 people.
Maybe we'll meet up there when it reopens in 2028. AKA Ben Dawson. My hands are gifted. Have you ever in your life prevented and seen a pandemic? Me neither. Shit. I failed you all. Sorry.
Coronavirus!
AKA, I open my medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is. It's the Zen Man. But currently, I'm more concerned with slacking up on Tylenol and things like that. You know, Bayer, shit like that. You know what I mean? AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Baby New for 2 for 5. You know what I'm saying? Niggas got garbage down the way. AKA Nino Brown, shut the car down. AKA live from the corner of 187th and Prospect is the East Tremont Stevie B, doing all his hits to himself and ignoring all curfews enforced by the law enforcement and to Bill de Blasio. All his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your TT is fucking and dope sick love. I'm on quarantine. Goddamn, the remix, you know what I'm saying? AKA
Hot.
Bloody hell, mate. It's a travel ban, mate. I can't even go across to the United States to tell you this. So I'm telling you via satellite. There's only 2 rock stars left in the world, mate, of which I am one. The rock stars are the Bodega Boys, and I am the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the plantain sleeping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed in my basement with 2 rolls of paper towels under my arms. You know what I'm saying? AKA, I met Mike Francis. I'm never going to fail because he don't believe in the coronavirus. It's just a hoax. You know what I'm saying? AKA, brawling in Portland, smoking legal. It's Barmelo's Anthony.
For 3.
You know what I'm saying? He's glad the season is over because he's hitting that bong like bang. You know what I'm saying? Also, if you see me at Target, you won't. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, it's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. And this time I really ain't gonna show up because fuck them kids. I'll send my man Mr. Fun instead.
I just want to know a quick question. Is probation canceled? Because, you know, I don't want to check in.
Okay.
Some bouncy houses.
Okay, all right. So,
gotta go out here.
Yeah, let's just stay home. Let's stay safe.
Okay.
AKA, so fake leads your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high from molasses and country fresh breeze gain. You know what I'm saying? Actually, he's not. Like, I just gave him all, like, my kids, like, baby cough syrup, and he's drinking that. And he's wilding. Now is the time to turn on SAP, because unlike Bloomberg, I'm going to give you a public service announcement in correct Spanish. Hasan, tiene una pista, coño. Oye, ¿qué es lo que llegó el hijito de FIFA, coño? Listen to me, motherfucker. Lávate las manos. Lávate las fucking manos. Do not sharing hookah. No share hookah with your friend. Hookah personal only. Personal hookah for you, ¿ok? ¿Qué más? Déjame decirte algo. Oye, bébete tu rompepecho y tú vas a estar bien, ¿ok? Drinking romo. I try to do bilingual to help everybody. So, drinking rum is good for you. Big's Vaporru is good for you. That's it. That's being PSA from your boy, the Mero. You know what I'm saying? Como siempre, shout out Showtime, shout out La Casa, Cash Up, y shout out Hasan y Sen, que poner la fucking nota. This was nice. Aquí, Quarantine Boys, we in the building. And everybody, stay safe out there. Cuídate, porque esta vaina mata. Okay, episode 193.5. That's currently my temperature. Let's get out of here before I perish.
You know the vibes. Episode 193. Want to apologize for having to cancel all the book tour stuff and the show in Brooklyn and the other show. We want to make it up to you. Yo, we'll be back as soon as possible. Yo, shout out to Milk Studio. Shout out to the Jam Room. Shout out to Cash App. You know, shout out to Showtime.
That's right.
Showtime.
Keep washing your hands.
Yeah. Sanitize, wash your hands, you know what I'm saying? You know, help the elderly, etc. You know what I mean? Also, now's the perfect time to catch up on all the YouTube shit. There's a lot of YouTube shit from your boys on the internet. Enjoy it. You know what I'm saying? Take your mind off things for a little while. You know what I'm saying? Because one of the most important things during the pandemic is obviously to be responsible, but you know what I'm saying? Don't go crazy. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't over panic.
True.
You know what I mean? Take some time for yourself. Zoom out, enjoy the humor and the escapism that we provide you. You know what I'm saying? We love y'all, We be back, you know what I'm saying? We got the cartoons on deck. We got everything on deck. We be doing this for y'all. You know what I'm saying?
You know the fucking vibes. Yo, listen. Wash your hands. Be safe out there. And we be back when we back. We out.
You know the fucking vibes.
It's a virus. I get it. Like, I respect it. But at the same time, like, even if everybody gets it, like, yeah, people are gonna die. It's just terrible. But, like...